Hey folks, Alex here from London Typewriters, and today I'm going to show you how to change 1001 FN or Group 1 typewriter ribbon. So let's go over the things that we'll need for this task first. Obviously we will need a new ribbon. This is a 1001 FN or Group 1 ribbon and spools. Then we will need a compatible typewriter like this Olympia Splendid 66. And then I recommend to have a pair of tweezers like these, because the ink is going to be very new in the new ribbon, and it can get a bit messy when handling the ribbon with your fingers and hands. So then I will remove the old ribbon. I'm going to first lift up this panel. And before you change anything, I would recommend to take a picture of this assembly and how the old ribbon is installed. This can be a useful reference point in the future if you get stuck installing the new ribbon. So I'm going to lift up these spools. And I'm going to use my tweezers to take out the ribbon from the ribbon carrier. So now I'm going to take the new ribbon and the spools. So very important step here is to make sure the orientation is correct of the new spools and the ribbon. So we want to make sure the ribbon is facing the typewriter and going this way and not this way. So this will be the wrong orientation. This will be the correct orientation. So I'm going to take one spool and place it on the spindle here. And you want to make sure that it's seated properly. On this side as well. Then I'm going to take my tweezers and feed it into the ribbon carrier here. The ribbon carrier is this mechanism here that goes up and down whenever you type. As you can see, it can be a bit fiddly, so that's why having tweezers is very helpful. And then the last thing I'll do is feed the ribbon through these slots on the side. There's one slot here on the right side and another one on the left side. And that's it. Let me place the panel on top and we're done. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And happy typing!